Copilot runs in your Microsoft 365 apps to help you work faster and smarter. When you're on the go, you can use Copilot app on your phone as an AI personal assistant to help you with your task right away. Simply use the Copilot app to put these powerful features to work. Copilot combs through the internet and/or work content to provide you a curated response in seconds. Here's how. Say you want to research, where should you go for your next holiday? Just open your Copilot app, switch to the web, and have it generate ideas. For example, you could ask it to suggest the top 5 travel destinations in Asia. This provides you with a short list of suggestions. You can ask Copilot to be more specific by providing information on details like numbers, location preference, dates, types of activities, and budget. Review Copilot suggestions. Click on the included links to explore further. Copilot can help you find what you need with conversational search, make images, and more. Need to send an important email when you're on the go? Now you can use Copilot through the Outlook app to save time, avoid mistakes, and communicate more effectively on your mobile. Here's how. Tap Copilot in Outlook and choose Draft with Copilot. Jot what you need to say in short notes. From the filters, choose the tone and length you need the message to be to suit your audience. Put Copilot to work, then review the suggested copy. Forget to include something? No problem. Just add the detail and Copilot will weave it in. Edit if you need to. When you're happy, send it off and keep powering through your day. Copilot can help you stay on top of correspondence even when you're out of the office. Late to a Teams call when you're using your mobile? Use Copilot to help you catch up on the meeting. Here's how. If you're running late, ask your team to record the meeting. When you join the call, open the chat and click on the Copilot icon. This opens a conversation between you and Copilot that only you can see. Use the suggested prompt or type in your request, such as "Recap meeting so far." Copilot provides a bulleted summary of what's been said and by whom, bringing you right up to speed, so you can contribute to the conversation knowing what's been discussed without interrupting to find out. Need to move from ideas to action? Use Copilot to recap action items within seconds. Here's how. Make sure transcript is turned on for the meeting. Open the Copilot app. This opens a conversation between you and Copilot that only you can see. Choose the prompt "Generate meeting notes." Then ask Copilot for a summary of action items discussed, making it easier for the meeting organizer to keep things on track. So you can focus on the meeting while having the action summary ready to share and ensure everyone knows what's expected. For more information, check out aka.ms/MicrosoftCopilot.